Testing an application is an integral step in developing new software products. Organizations aim to conduct all required tests during development to guarantee the highest quality. Technical teams worldwide rely on both automated and manual testing as primary quality assurance techniques for specialized projects. Manual testing involves human intervention, requiring substantial human labor for execution and comparison between results against desired behavior. It cannot always provide 100% accurate results due to human errors. On the other hand, automated testing uses test automation tools that perform tests automatically without human involvement. Testers can write scripts that automate test execution and report generation, providing excellent coverage and efficiency. According to Tech Report, in 2024, automation will replace 75% or more of manual work for 19% of testers. Manual testing offers several benefits. Firstly, it provides temporary cost savings as it does not require expensive QA automation tools. Secondly, it is less complicated to put into practice, as hiring a software quality assurance tester for manual testing can be straightforward and does not require coding knowledge. Thirdly, manual testing allows testers to concentrate on more rational edge cases for intricate features and functions. Lastly, it is useful for finding bugs such as server responsiveness that are unrelated to code development, providing more significant insights into the end-user viewpoint. Automated testing offers numerous advantages. It is swift and potent, allowing testers to write multiple scripts simultaneously and automate testing 5 times quicker than manual testing. Automated tests are more dependable as they are error-proof, identifying issues with code or execution immediately. In the long term, automation is economically beneficial as it saves person-hours and money. Automated tests also allow more team members to access and view outcomes, leading to greater productivity and improved team communications. Additionally, automating the testing process alleviates stress for software testers, increasing job satisfaction. Automation testing has revolutionized how companies build software. Key features include adaptability for people with various levels of experience, supporting different testing frameworks, and cross-browser compatibility testing. Data-driven testing and detailed results reporting are crucial for accurate test outcomes. Access to primary scripting languages like Python, Ruby, and JavaScript is essential. Complete dependability and testing for error recovery are vital for thorough product reviews. Accurate identification, mapping, and recognizing objects in any environment enhance testing, debugging, and cross-platform code maintenance. Testing of databases ensures no issues with connectivity, query execution, data retrieval, or disconnections. Excellent and secure technical support is also necessary. An effective software testing team must strike a balance between automated and manual testing techniques to craft unique websites and applications with minimal expenses while ensuring swift deployment of error-free sites and applications. Both methods have distinct advantages and disadvantages, and occasionally combining the two can produce very good outcomes.